This female red colobus monkey lives on the lush tropical island of Zanzibar. Making sure her family eat their greens is no problem. Colobus are vegetarians. But for her family to grow big and strong, they also need protein. The mango. But eating them comes at a cost. They are laced with poison and cause severe bellyache. Like all good mums, she knows how to make it better. It may not look like much, but charcoal is an inspired remedy. Taken quickly after eating toxins, it absorbs and neutralizes them. And they've unlocked a protein-rich feast that's off the menu for most.